pictures. Okay, I think I'm good. Okay.
Oh.
Hey beauties, it's Nikea here, back with another installation for my Color Crush Rainbow Makeup Series, the monochromatic makeup look. As you can see and tell by the title, this look is all blue everything. So, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright beauties, we're going to... Hold up. I had to bring it back because before you keep watching, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? You're already here on my channel. The video is up there on your phone or on your computer. So right below there, just click that subscribe button. Go ahead. I'll wait. And thank you for subscribing. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this look, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm speeding through my skin foundation routine. It is... can't talk. It is the same steps that I use in my previous Color Crush video with the all pink look, using the same Ruby Kiss primer and the same foundations from Beige Cosmetics. I will list all the products in the description box so that you know exactly what I used. And I also have foundation routine video on my channel, which is the same thing that I'm doing here. Alright, now to get into the fun part, what you all came here for. Time to get these eyes done. So first I'm going to take my Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder and I'm applying some extra underneath my eyes because we are using blue. So just in case there's any fallout, I don't want to mess up my base. So I'm using this thick creamy concealer from this concealer palette that I have as my shadow base and applying that up above my crease. Now I am using my Masquerade palette and I'm using that orange terracotta-ish color and I'm sweeping that as my transition color on my lid. And then I'm going to place this more neutral brown from the same palette on top of that. I'm about to show you exactly which color that I used. So Morocco, and so I'm using this blue from the Smoky Eye palette from Coastal Scents, and I'm patting that on the outer corner of my eye and then sweeping that up into my crease with this fluffy blending brush. This one is from Real Techniques. Alright, now I'm going to my Coastal Scents palette. This is a Hot Pot, and I'm patting that blue color on top of the blue from the Smoky Eye palette. They're very similar. So, like an idiot, I had turned off my camera to do something, came back and forgot to press record. But I added this matte navy color into my crease with this pencil brush, and then I just blended those two colors out with this fluffy brush. No extra product. All right, now for the lid color, I'm going into this beautiful metallic, Be Still My Heart. And I think I've been saying the wrong palette, y'all. But look at how pretty that is. That is just beautiful. So I'm patting that on with a large shadow brush in the center of my lid. And this is the Nubian 2 palette I've been using, y'all. Nubian 2, not the Masquerade. And I'm taking that a little bit above my crease as well. Then I'm going to take like this periwinkle grayish silver tone blue. And I'm going to pop that on the front portion of my lid. And then I am going to sweep it up, as you can see, into my crease, being a little more precise with it. And look at the, y'all, this silver tone. This just looks so beautiful. And then I'm going in with that lighter blue from the Smoky Eye palette and just blending out the edges of my shadow. Alright, I'm using this L'Oreal Shadow Duo. And I'm using that metallic color, and I'm going to use that as an inner corner highlight, tear duct highlight, because you know that's my thing. I've been tear duct highlighting since the 7th grade. And I put a little bit on my lower lash line. And of course I'm going to use the same colors that I used on my lid, those matte blues, and I'm going to apply them to my lower lash line and connect them to the shadows on my lid just to make the look more complete. And I'm applying a little bit of that shimmer blue, which is Cleopatra from the Nubian 2 palette. And I'm going to use Queen from my Backlight highlight palette from Beige Cosmetics to highlight my face. Alright, now that I've blended in my highlight, I'm going to contour with this L'Oreal Shadow Duo using that matte blue. And I'm contouring, bronzing my face. Whenever I start doing the bronzing portion of these looks, I just like fall in love with them. Now I am taking this blue from this L'Oreal Shadow Duo. These are like from high school, y'all. But I'm using that as a blush. Kind of hard to find a blue blush, but I'm sticking with it. And of course adding some matte blue shadows to my eyebrows to really make this look monochromatic. Alright, this is a 66 lip palette from either BH Cosmetics or Coastal Scents. They sold the same palette. And I'm going to use that for my lip color, and I'm lining my lips first with the Sema Brown Now pencil. And using this detail brush, I am patting that color all over my lips. But this isn't giving me the intensity that I wanted. So I decided to go back with a blue shadow and pat that on top. And the lip gloss just gave the shadow something sticky to and gave it a nice base. So that same color that I used for my contour, I'm using as a part of my lip. Now I'm gonna go put on my lashes and I'll be back. So I used the Poise lashes from Kiss, and now I'm just making sure that everything is blended out and that I'm looking fun, funky, and fabulous. I'm blue, All right, beauties, that is the finished blue look. I feel like I'm giving mermaid vibes with this highlight and then this contour bronzer situation. I like it. I don't know why, but the pink look looked a little bit alien cutesy. This one's like alien siren, alien vixen, seductress. But I like the way it came out. I had to improvise with some of my products because I don't have any blushes that are blue. So, you know, have fun with your makeup. I love this. So go down in the comments below and tell me what you guys think about this all blue makeup look. It tried to turn teal on me, but I was determined to have blue. I even got blue in my brows. Y'all saw that? Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties. But before you go, I want you to go down below, click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.